Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to combine two images in Midjourney. So combining two images in Midjourney is a creative process that can be done using the blend command. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through and you can read it. So to upload image in the Midjourney discuss about, click the plus icon next to the text bar, then upload the two images you want to combine, then use the blend format, which is in the video, which is type blend in the chat and press enter. Then you will see a prompt to upload your image. Then select the two images you just uploaded, just adjust the setting, which is optional. Then you can also specify the aspect ratio, which is a square, portrait and a landscape. Then from there you can leave it if you want as default. Then generate the combined image. Now submit the command and Midjourney will create image that blend the elements of the two uploaded image. And after that, we can refine the results if needed. You can also use the remix mode to create variation to further refine the blended image. And that's a simple guide on how to combine two images in Midjourney. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.